For thousands of years, three major religions held one simple food sacred. Not exotic spices from distant lands or rare herbs grown in hidden valleys. But something golden, rich, and utterly transformative was revered by all. Modern science is now discovering why ancient peoples revered it so deeply. The Quran calls butter and milk divine blessings, gifts from Allah Himself. The Bible describes a promised land flowing with milk, a vision of abundance. Jewish kosher laws meticulously preserve ancient wisdom about preparing dairy properly. This wisdom has been passed down through countless generations to the present day. What connects these ancient traditions and their reverence for this food? Ghee, clarified butter, has been used in traditional medicine over 5,000 years. The answer to its sacred status lies not in mysticism, but inside your gut. Here's where the story of ghee and its benefits gets truly fascinating. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 7 scientifically proven health benefits. These benefits explain why our ancestors treated this golden fat with such reverence. From Quranic blessings to biblical abundance, these traditions weren't simply spiritual metaphors. They were preserving genuine health wisdom for countless generations. Benefit number 7, modern gastroenterology says, could revolutionize gut inflammation treatment. But let's start at the beginning, with sustained energy and physical strength. Ancient warriors consumed ghee before battle, and Ayurvedic physicians prescribed it for vitality. They understood something fundamental. Ghee provides steady, long-lasting energy without crashes. This energy comes without the sharp crashes from sugar or refined carbohydrates. But why does this sustained energy happen at the molecular level? Because ghee contains medium-chain triglycerides, your liver converts directly into energy. This means sustained fuel for your muscles and brain, bypassing the usual digestive pathway. That's exactly why athletes in ancient Greece and India relied on it. They used it for peak performance during competitions, boosting strength and endurance. Benefit number 2 transforms how your body absorbs nutrients, enhancing digestion. Think about that. The same meal becomes 30% more nutritious. Vitamins A, D, E, and K need fat to enter your bloodstream effectively. Ghee acts as the perfect carrier for these essential vitamins. Traditional Indian cooking combines ghee with vegetables and aromatic spices. Those ancient cooks intuitively understood that ghee unlocked nutritional treasure. But here's where modern science gets truly exciting. Benefit number 3. Anti-inflammatory and immune support, crucial for modern health. Ghee contains conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which reduces inflammation. In a world battling chronic inflammatory diseases, this matters enormously. Whilst pharmaceutical companies spend billions developing drugs with dangerous side effects, ghee offers a food-based solution humans have safely consumed for millennia. The CLA in ghee actively supports your immune system's ability to distinguish threats. This is why Ayurvedic medicine used ghee to treat autoimmune conditions. They used it long before modern medicine understood what autoimmunity was. Benefit number 4 protects your skeleton in ways you've probably never considered. Bone health depends on vitamin K2, and ghee from grass-fed cows is its richest source. Whilst most people obsess over calcium intake, they miss the crucial vitamin K2. K2 actually directs calcium into bones where your body needs it most. Without adequate K2, calcium can deposit in your arteries instead of your bones. This creates the worst outcome: brittle bones and hardened arteries simultaneously. But when you consume ghee regularly, K2 ensures calcium goes exactly where needed, protecting both skeletal and cardiovascular health, a double benefit. This explains why traditional cultures maintain strong bones into old age. Whilst modern populations drinking calcium-fortified skim milk suffer epidemic rates, they had the delivery system right, even without understanding the biochemistry. Benefit number 5 challenges everything you've been told about dietary fat. Brain function requires saturated fat, the exact type your brain is actually made from. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, influencing cognitive function. When you restrict saturated fat intake, cognitive function measurably declines. It supports neurotransmitter production, particularly for acetylcholine, governing memory. This is why ancient scholars consumed ghee before intensive study sessions. They recognized its cognitive enhancement properties through direct experience. The myelin sheath protecting your neurons needs saturated fat for repair. When you deprive your brain of this essential building material by following low-fat advice, you're literally starving the organ that controls everything else in your body. Ghee provides exactly what your brain craves for optimal function. Benefit number 6 might seem paradoxical at first: improved fat metabolism. Consuming the right fats actually helps your body burn fat more efficiently. When you eat ghee, you're signaling to your metabolism that fat is available. This reduces the hormonal drive to store every calorie as fat. Studies demonstrate replacing refined carbohydrates with quality fats like ghee shifts metabolism. This metabolic flexibility is key to sustained weight loss and stable energy levels. Traditional cultures never suffered the obesity epidemic plaguing modern societies, despite consuming substantial amounts of ghee and other animal fats for millennia. The difference was the absence of processed foods disrupting normal metabolic signaling. Ghee helps restore that metabolic balance effectively and naturally. And now we arrive at benefit number 7, the ultimate discovery. Gastroenterologists are completely rethinking gut health protocols with this. Ghee contains butyric acid that heals your gut lining in just 8 weeks. Your gut lining is one cell layer thick, protecting you from toxins. When this barrier is compromised, you develop intestinal permeability, also called leaky gut. Butyric acid is the compound your gut cells use as their primary fuel source. They experienced significant healing after consuming ghee daily for 8 weeks. The butyric acid reduced gut inflammation, strengthened tight junctions, and restored function. Results that surprised even the scientists conducting the trials in 2024. This explains why every traditional medical system, like Ayurveda, used ghee. They observed healing effects directly. Modern medicine is now understanding mechanisms. Ancient wisdom, validated by cutting-edge science, truly profound revelations. So how do you start experiencing these amazing benefits yourself? Try ghee coffee tomorrow morning. Blend a tablespoon into your morning coffee. This offers sustained energy and mental clarity that lasts for hours. It's a simple practice with profound effects on how you feel all day. If this story changed how you think about traditional foods and health, subscribe for more. Where ancient wisdom meets cutting-edge science, continue the conversation. And leave a comment sharing your experience with ghee below. Your insights might help someone else transform their health today.